up, fam? And I gotta do something to this engine bay, man. Make it look better. I got some stuff from eBay, like some covers and stuff for it, for the window washer tank. That's gonna be all covered up. I'm gonna cover this little spot up right here, the hood lock, a little area, a little space right here. I gotta change out my cabin filter. Y'all gotta change our cabin filter, man. I got this, darn, I can take it out. I got this smell. I haven't changed it since about a year. And it's your little cabin filter. We'll get it, we'll get it. There you go. Let's see how this shit look. Oh yeah, look at this. That's why I probably got that smell, man. If y'all got like a little smell in y'all car when you put the air conditioner on, that's probably what it is. Gotta change that out. That look nasty, man. And this was like a year, but I changed it within a year, like a year ago. Yep. Changed that out, but show the other stuff I got, man. Yeah, fam, I got this. Cover that little hole right there. I got it from eBay. This little piece was probably like 20 bucks. Show y'all what it is. Just to cover this up. Ain't no instructions, but it's easy. Like that. Little snap on, you hit snap. That's it. Yeah, I know. 20 bucks. There's a little piece right here. But make it look better, man. Make it look better. I had that for a while. I just ain't never put it on. And this right here, just for this little space right here for the washer tank, windshield washer tank, and it should cover all this up. So you won't see my wires for my Wi-Fi box. Yeah, let's see what's up. Let's see, no instructions. No. When you go on eBay, not eBay, when you go on Amazon, it is like, they'll show you how to do it. They don't give you instructions in the box, see? But they show you how to do it, you know, online or whatever. And got a little, right here. Let's figure it out. Okay, little pins. So I guess the little pins go, we'll figure that out. I saw how to do it. That was been a while since I saw that video. Yeah, like that. It looks like a little snap-on. So why you need the I don't know why you need the pins. Let me see. Yeah, this do good, man. It's gonna have. Yeah, it's good right here. Had all my wires. And just shit. Like that. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, fam. It's like a little. Alright, fam, like a little piece right there. Little thing sticking out. You put it in that hole. So that's like your starting point. That's gonna be your starting point. And you're gonna just snap it in like that. That's how you do it. It's easy. Cover that on up. I still got my wires right here. Ain't bad. Yes, sir. And this was $30. So get them two together, be $50. The pins, I think you put the pins like right there, but it still don't make sense. Okay. Well, it do make sense. Alright, we're gonna put the pins on right quick. Alright, fam. Making it look better, man. Yes, sir. Now, for the carbon air filter, this is what I use right here. Yeah. For the carbon air filter, that's what I use. Oh. What I use right here for the carbon air filter. Same size and everything. Because mine is dirty. That is terrible, man. That is terrible. And you know, you just slide it up in there. That's it. And another package just came in. Got to change this out. This right here been through hell. I get a flathead screwdriver, take that on off, and that's it. And tighten back up. Yeah, fam. Let's get your little flathead. Dirty, all this dirty. All right, fam. I got this from Amazon too. It was like one left. I don't like the color. I would rather have it red, like a bright red or black or gray. But this was $40. I got it on the low, so I had to get it, and I know I needed one. I'm gonna put this on and show y'all how I look. Yo, fam, how about they gave me the wrong size? Come on, man. That's why shit was on the low. Pay about $40 for it. Wrong size. Come on, man. Can't do nothing with that. Now I gotta send this crap back. Alright, fam, this is how I look. Put the little tabs in there. I don't really do nothing for it, but get rid of that little gap right there. Oh, and I put that cabin filter back on, so it should be smelling better. Do is just line that up. That's it. Do that with one hand. Yeah, man, Amazon messed up. Somebody messed up. My old filter. They gave me a bigger one. I gotta return that and get another. Yeah, man, looks a little better. I was missing something. I want to get that little bar, little strut bar on it. Yeah, but I ain't done with it, folks. Y'all comment, like, subscribe though. Alright, I'm out.